Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold, I mean, we definitely do have a pretty big spike right here at these fib levels. I still personally think that this move down, even if it does turn into a bigger move, it's just going to be a crescent to this move up. And I still think this is going to go up potentially to the 2250 and maybe even a lot higher than that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely got a lower high forming, so that is a pretty good sign that potentially we are going to go down, maybe take out this low before we actually do end up going back up. So let's take it right down to the daily where we can see that a little bit better, because on the daily, it looks like we may be forming some sort of a flat, because it looks like three waves down like a wave A. It looks like three waves up like a wave B. I bet we're now going to form five waves down, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, and this is probably going to be like a flat pattern before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here just so we can look for areas of resistance, but it does seem like that is the most likely scenario at this point, especially because I do think the dollar index is going to make a move to the upside, maybe for the next few weeks. So going down to the 4 hours where you can kind of more clearly see that 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Definitely has the characteristics of a flat so far. Now, if it does go down and make a big bounce and a big break of structure off a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely be prepared to change my analysis and go long again. But as of right now, it seems like the most likely scenario is that it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and that in hindsight, we'll look at this later on, and this is going to end up being a five-way pattern, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave five, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a flat pattern on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think it is probably going down, and unless I see some real evidence on the higher time frames otherwise, I would actually be looking for sorts in a downtrend. If I see three waves up, if I see impulsive down, then I would definitely take that as a sort for the continuation of this bigger downtrend. We had a big push up on Friday, but what actually happened was I think that this is an A. I think this is an ABC of B, and I think this went up to make a wave C. Now I believe we're back into a downtrend, and I think that the best bet for us is to continue to look for sorts on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.